welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I am doing a review, or like an unboxing and a review as well. So as you guys know, I've been doing a couple of reviews for MAKARTT, which is a store on Amazon. So they reached out to me again and they sent me quite a few stuff. So I am gonna do this in two separate videos, only because I don't want to confuse you guys and I want it to be really detailed. So the first thing I'm doing is the review on the drill and then some drill bits. So as you guys know, the one I'm using right now is also by MAKARTT and I absolutely love it. So the one that they sent me this time is the portable one. So the box looks like this, and this one is rechargeable, so it's a lot smaller. So if I do decide to start traveling and doing classes, this will probably be like perfect, because you can even like attach it to your belt or something. So I haven't opened it yet. I was just doing my research. So first off, I do want to say this drill is $69.99, and like I said, this is what it looks like. So on the box it just say portable, quiet, light, and convenient. Variable speed control for professional use only, manicures and pedicures, and it is a 30,000 RPMs. So once again, this is by MAKARTT, and let's see. So then I guess I can go ahead and mention this. They did send some drill bits as well. So they sent this one, which is a 7-piece. Let's see, it's a 7-piece gold carbon drill bits, and then this one is the 7-piece MAKARTT nail drill bit set. So the only difference is all of these are just the gold carbon drill bits, and then this one, it's a variety. It has the gold ones as well as the ceramic ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those over to the side and I'll try them out later. It just fell. So I opened the box. Let me see. Okay, so I opened the box and this is what it came with. So it is just like instructions and stuff. So like I said, it is a 30,000 RPMs. And then this thing comes with a drill. It comes with the actual drill. It comes with the charger. It comes with the like I said, you can attach it to your belt. So it comes with a clip. It comes with the handpiece. And what else does it come with? The manual, and then I think that's pretty much it. And like I said, it is rechargeable. So like so it does come with the charger. And let's see what all it says. So I mean, and then it just has instructions, and then it also says that I guess I'll have to wait and see, but when it's like to wait to know if it's almost dead or if it's fully charged, they do it like P0 to P9. So P9 is completely like fully charged, and then as the numbers go down, that's when you have to recharge it. And then it also has like some troubleshoot questions. It has drill bits, speeds allowed, or stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it because I don't know what most of that stuff is. So okay, so the box looks like this. I just opened it, and it comes with the clip. So this is what you would put on your belt. I guess it goes like this. So this goes on your belt, and then the drill goes right here, and then the little handpiece go right there. It comes with the charger, so it just looks like that. And then it comes with these little drill bits and a sanding band. So I don't ever use those, so I'm sure I'm not going to use them now, but it has one sanding band. What else? Okay, so I'm going to get this out the way. So this is the actual, I guess, the motor. So this is what it looks like. And it says JSDA, and the model number is JD101H. So far I can see, oh, it's already charged. So it has the little, like, this little round thing, and you just turn it. I don't know if you can see it. Well, it's on over here, like I can see it. So let's see. So it has the arrow. If you turn it that way, is to speed it up, and it does say like F20, F22, 26, 30. So it goes all the way up to F30, and then the lowest is F0, and then if you keep turning, it turns off. It also has the status switch 0 to 9, if you guys can tell. And then it also has, it tells you the speed. What else? And then it has like a little input for the handpiece and the charger. So I'm guessing the piece is right here. Okay, so here is the handpiece, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this box out of the way. Okay, so here's the handpiece. It's pretty, it feels like it's really good material. It's not plastic, it's more of a metal. So this is what it looks like, and all of it is actually metal. So it already has a little drill bit in there, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like my other one. Yeah, you have to turn it to be able to take the drill bit out. Let me see. I can't pick it up with my nails. So you put it in there, and then you have to turn it to where it locks so it don't come out. And then to take it out, you just rotate it the other way, and then you can take it out. So it's like my other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Let me see, are they both the same? No, so I was trying to see if both of those were the same. But the charger piece, if the motor is facing you, then it goes on the left side. The little handpiece goes on the left side, I think. Or was it the right? Yes, the left side. So I'm gonna go ahead, let's see. I'm gonna put one of these sending bits in there, or drill bits, just to show you guys. So like I said, right now it's locked, so nothing's gonna go in there. So you have to turn it to the left, put it in there, and then turn it back to the right, and now it's locked and it's in there. Next, I'm gonna turn it on. So like I said, it's already charged, so I'm gonna turn it over to the right to turn it on. And I don't know if you can tell, but there's like, it says on and off, and then it has the arrow. So I'm gonna turn it, and as you can see, it's starting to speed up. And the more I turn it, the faster it goes. And as I'm turning it, it's getting slower and slower. And then if I turn it to where it clicks, it powers off. So it actually goes pretty fast. And that's at F, you can't really tell. No, it's not going to show, but it's at F30, and that's the fastest it goes. And you could actually hear how it changes speeds. If you guys remember, I did a review on one of the Melody Susie drills, and it either went really, really fast or really slow. And this one, you could actually hear how the speeds change. So like I said, this one is just like my other one as far as, you know, that speed. And the handle or the handpiece is actually really similar to it. But like I said, I probably won't be using this one unless I'm doing like not on site, how would I say, like unless I'm traveling, only because it's, I mean, it's smaller and it's more, I guess it's not taking up as much space. But I don't want to start using this one when I don't have an issue with this one. So I might use it just to show you guys. Or of course I am going to use it, I am going to use it to show you guys how good it works, to make sure that it's enough like power and stuff. But I mean, I guess so far I like it. Like I said, my main concern when I'm doing reviews on drill bits, or not drill bits, but whenever I'm using new drills is, like I said, some either go really, really slow or really, really fast. There's no in between. So with this one, that's not an issue. The only question would be, how long does the battery actually last? Because you know, I don't want it to be doing nails and then it just go it dies on me. So what else? So these drill bits, okay, so then I'm gonna show you guys these drill bits. So like I said, these are the 7-piece gold carbon drill bits. And I can already tell what's in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And these are really similar to the ones that I use. Let's see. I have, it looks like it's a coarse drill bit and it's a safety one. We have a fine drill bit, which is smaller. We have a smaller drill bit, which is, like I said, a fine. And then we have a medium one, which is a little bit bigger. Let's see. I'm going to show you guys the difference. So see, that one's a little bit bigger than that one, and I usually like the bigger ones. This one is the safety one, and then it comes with a little brush, and this little brush is just to remove that dust. You can turn it on at the end and just go around the nail to get the dust around the cuticle area. And then we also have a couple of, like a cuticle one, which is tiny, and then I have this one, and what else? And then this one. So these are to get closer around the cuticle area, and like I said, I don't ever use these. I always just use a fine drill bit, a medium, and a coarse in my sanding bin. So I'm gonna try these out and see how good they are. What else? And then this one is pretty much the same thing. Like I said, the only difference between this gold one and then these is that this one has a more diverse collection, only because it comes with like the ceramic ones, it comes with a gold one and a silver one, it comes with the brush. As you can see, it comes with the brush, it comes with the small cuticle one, it comes with a ceramic one, and the only difference between the silver and the gold and the ceramic is really just the material and the colors, but they all basically do the same thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I am going to be using these in my videos, like I said, to try them out. But let's see, these drill bits are $29.99. So it comes at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's actually a really good price. It comes with 7 for $29.99. And then the other set, which is the all gold ones, these are $19.99. So that's actually a really good price. So what else? Yeah, I think I pretty much hit everything. I am gonna do, like I said, a more detailed video, as well as showing you guys when I actually use them. So like I said, this is just the unboxing part, and I'll be back with the actual review. And I do want to go ahead and show you guys something else. They also sent me this new UV LED light, so I'm pretty excited to try this one out. And like I said, I'm gonna do this on a separate video, but I wanted to just go ahead and mention it so you guys know that it's coming. So yeah, once again, the drill came with the actual motor, the hand piece, it came with the charger, the clip, and then it also came with the little small box of drill bits, and those were $69.99. And it is portable, it's rechargeable, and I think I pretty much hit every point. And then the drill bits are also, the other drill bits come separate, and those were $39.99 and $19.99. And I'm pretty sure I am going to have a promo code, so I'll leave it down in the description. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other part of the video, and I'll be back. And just like my other one, you have to twist the top to be able to put the drill bit in, and then you have to lock it so it stays in place. After that, I'm just going to turn the little knob over to the right, and then you adjust the speed to whatever you want it to. So to prep the nails, I put it on 9. So like I said, you can hear the difference between when it's really slow and when it's really fast. So for me, it's not so much about the numbers, because I've never had a drill that actually shows the numbers on there. It's kind of just by ear. I kind of just know how fast I want it to go by the way it sounds. I know that's pretty weird, but like I said, I've never had one that had a screen. But for this one, I set it on 9, and that was pretty good for me. So whatever works for you is fine. I know some people like it faster, other people like it slower, so you're gonna just have to find whatever works for you. But so far, you know, it was doing great. Like I said, you could hear the difference from where it's going really slow or really fast, which I like. And then it's actually, I'm surprised at how much power, or how many watts it actually is for it to be a wireless. Usually, you know, when they make like wireless stuff, it's not as powerful as if it was, you know, I don't know, like if you actually plugged it into the power. I don't know if that makes sense, but I was actually amazed at how much power this little drill had. So I really like it so far. And then to file the acrylic, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to switch the drill bit out. So for this, I'm going to be using one of the new drill bits that it came with, or that they also sent me. So I'm going to go ahead and use the fine one, because I like the bigger barrel ones. The fine one was a small barrel. This one's a large barrel. So it is a fine drill bit, a medium drill bit. And like I said, you just put it at the speed that you want. So I did F29, and it is going to be a little bit too fast, so I'm going to slow it down to F23, and that's what I'm going to be using for the rest of the time. So like I said, to me, the numbers don't really matter. It's just the sound. I kind of know, you know, how fast I want it based on, you know, how fast it sounds, and that's usually what I just go by. So like I said, I did do 2 sets with the drill bit, or with the drill, and it did really good. No concerns at all. I would actually want to see how many full sets I can do, or how many sets I can do with it, you know, being charged fully, because like I said, I didn't charge it. It already came charged, so I just used it just how it came. I haven't even unraveled the charger, so I want to see how many I can do with it before it goes dead, because I feel like that would be a major thing. You know, you don't want to be out doing a house call or something, or just working, and then it goes dead on you. So like I said, I really like it, so you should definitely go check it out. Like I said, it's really small, it's really light, it's not too loud, you know, it doesn't vibrate really bad or anything. And I feel like for people that travel, this would be the perfect drill. And I feel like it would for me, especially like sometimes I have girls that want their nails done at school, or I'm gonna be working on some nail classes at school for the girls, so I feel like this would be perfect for me to just take with me instead of having to take my big drill. Alrighty, and I will have a promo code hopefully, so I'll leave that down in the description. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.